Hey guys, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an ebook cover here in Canva. So after you've opened your Canva, over here in the search bar, we're going to search for ebook cover, or you can also use other keywords that relates to the theme of your book so that you will be able to find other templates that goes along with your theme. But after you've searched for it, you're just going to scroll down and you're going to look for a template that suits your taste or suits the theme of your book. And after that, just click on the template that you'd like to use. Then click on customize this template. And after it's opened, you want to go ahead and customize the design. You're going to change the title of the book. And you can also change other text that appears in the design. And after that, just click on share over here at the top. Then click on download. Then choose the file type. Then click on download again. And that's it. Thanks for watching.